Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. So, welcome back to another video about Cardano. And first of all, guys, that is very congratulation news for all of you because after a long time, again Cardano start pumping in. As I told you guys that there is possibilities that at the last of October, there is possibilities that the price of Cardano will pump. So as you know now, only 10-11 days remaining in October. So as you can see here, my prediction about Cardano is going 100% right. As you can see, guys, the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, the last 1 week, changes of Cardano is completely going positive. So that's very good news for all of you because you are all getting in a huge profit. Guys, if you are new in my channel, so kindly I request everybody to please click the subscribe button for more news and update videos and for this type of accurate price prediction. Now guys, the currently price of Cardano is about 2.17 USD dollar. That is the currently price of Cardano, and you can see here guys, now that is the last 1 month price chart, and you can see here, as I told you guys, 100% my prediction going right. You can see here the 20 days the price completely going in the dumps, but in the latter situation now from today, Cardano again start moving upward, and as I predicted guys, that possibilities that in the last days of October the price will pump. So as you can see here, now the price is in the pumping mood. So now at this time, on the basis of this update, I recommend for all of my viewers, for all of my subscribers, that it's time to hold and make a huge profit. Anyways guys, what's your opinion, what's your prediction about Cardano? Also share in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe channel.